How to sharpen the knife with a bench grinder.
How to sharpen a knife. We have the grinder fixed to a bench, but we have the grinder spinning away from us. So if we turn this on, the grinder is spinning this way. So if the knife gets caught, it always goes away from you. First thing we do is we put some polishing paste, just a small amount, on the cloth wheel. Just like that. Okay, so take the knife, keeping it flat so to sharpen the whole amount of blade. Always keep it moving so that it doesn't go blue. If the knife goes blue, it's got too hot. To do the tip, we just do that on the outside. You can see the burr on there. Turn it over and do the back flat. We need to lose the burr, so we do, keeping the knife pointing towards the angle of the flow. And that's sharp.